Hey everyone, welcome to lesson 4 of our Algebra 1 series. Today we're going to talk about distribution and how to solve problems that involve distribution. So let me give you an example of something where you would need to distribute. A general form could be A parentheses B plus C. Now we have to be specific here. We just learned in our last lesson order of operations and the usage of PEMDAS. So let me be specific. If this example were to be only numbers like 5, 4 plus 3, we can solve this out. We don't need to distribute because we know we can simplify what's in the parentheses first. So we get 5 times 7, which is 35, right? So distribution is really important when we're dealing with variables or symbols. Really just variables, because a symbol and a letter can be a variable. So let's look at an example where we keep this general form, but we have A. Let's not use A actually. We're going to make this a little bit simpler. We're going to have 3x plus y. Here's an example of somewhere where we can't utilize PEMDAS because we're unsure what quantities these variables represent. So to simplify this, we need to distribute. Let's look at how to do. So we have 3x plus y, and we need to get it into simplest form. Often problems in books and homeworks will ask you to distribute to get into simplest form. I'm going to address how to do that. So the common technique here, and as it's shown in many textbooks and other help videos, we're going to apply 3 to both the x and to the y. Now, how we're going to do that is we're going to multiply each. So this, I'm going to do the whole problem out to show you the end product. It's going to become 3x plus 3y. Now, what we did here is we multiplied the 3 and the x. We kept our operation and we multiplied the 3 and the y. And this is our final product. This is the simplest form after distribution. So let's say we're going to have 6 times z plus a. This is going to equal 6z plus 6a. And to show what we did, we can draw arrows to each of them. We multiplied both variables and kept our operation. We multiplied both variables by 6, the constant out front. Now, these can get a little more complicated when you have something like 6 times 2z plus 3a. Now we still need to keep our operation, so it's still going to be, we're going to have our operation, but we need these two terms. Now we still need to apply the 6 to both variables, but these are no longer just variables, they're expressions. They're expressions. So we still are going to keep that multiplication as how we distribute, and we're going to multiply, in this case right here, 6 times 2z, which is 12z, okay? So we're going to have 12z, and we're going to do the same thing here, and we're going to have 18a, and that's our simplest form. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, give us a like, give us a subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, just post them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.